I got some fun things that came in the mail today. What's up guys? Welcome back. So today we're doing a little unboxing of some stuff I got from a company called Advanced. So I recently got into their ambassador program, and so now I'm going to be reviewing their stuff along with what I usually do on this channel. So today we're gonna unbox this. You'll find out what I get. Starting off, we got a shaker. And then we also have some powders, and that would be the slip of things packed. Now let's get into the other one. There we go. Okay, so is this the packing slip? I think this is the packing slip. What all did they pack in here? Oh, I got a free sticker. A promo. Sweet, okay. So I did order a little like flavor pack thing. It looks like they did actually pack it. At least it's on the pack thing. Sweet. So this is Advanced, and I will talk about them in a second. So I have both of their, this is their energy. This is the blueberry ramune flavor. And then this is the hydration, which is blue raspberry lemonade, which I love blue, and I love raspberry and blueberry and blue raspberry and all of those things. So that's why I got that. I also got, this is their blueberry acai focus blend. They don't sell this in the big one, and so I got a small one of it. Oh, and it looks like they just gave me one sample. That's okay. I wasn't sure. It used to be free, and so I still had it in my cart when I ordered it, so I wasn't sure what that is. They just sent me one, which is just fine. I got one in this one too. So Advanced is a gaming energy drink powder. If you've heard of like G Fuel, or I know there's some other ones out there. There's one called Gamer Sups, I think is what it's called. There's another one called Glitch, one called Sneak. Yeah, there's a bunch of different ones out there. I ended up looking at Fracno's videos. He did a lot of reviews of a lot of the different energy drink powders and what they do, what they have in them, if they have enough of the things that are supposed to be like enhancing your brain or whatever. And he has a very in-depth set of reviews on a bunch of different companies. So one of the things that turned me on with Advanced is that he said that Advanced uses a lot of the other little things that kind of help your brain while it's at a caffeinated state or whatever, to help like mental clarity and stuff that a lot of energy drink gaming powders brag about. He said Advanced, for one, is very transparent about their label, and they add a sufficient amount of those to actually notice an effect. So I thought that would be really cool to give them a try, and I decided to sign up for their ambassador program, and I got accepted. So I have a link down below. If you order off their website, please use my link because I do get a kickback off of that. That being said, that is not going to change my style of review. As you guys know, I'm very objective in my reviews and very just talking about the flavors, what they do, how it feels, whatnot. This is my shaker that I got from them. Let's give this a check out. So this is part of my little welcome gift. Yeah. So I guess it is, yeah, it is kind of see-through black. It's like a see-through black color. And yeah, I thought this would be neat. The inside has like has kind of this type of thing. It's supposed to break up your powder nicely. So that sits in there. It fits 25 ounces of water. You could probably fit a little bit more in there as well. I'm guessing about 26 or so. Mix it, shake it up, pop top, good to go. So yeah, this is my little welcome shaker that came with these 4 packets of Advanced. I have 2 energy, which is the ramune flavor, and then I have 2 hydration. One is watermelon and the other one is peach mango. And then I ordered the hydration blue raspberry lemonade and the energy blueberry ramune. And then they also gave me a free another peach mango, which is sweet. And then I really want to try their Focus line, and so I got a little sachet of the Focus. There's 4 different categories. There is Focus, energy, hydration, and sleep. So starting off with Focus. Focus is kind of their flagship, I think, blend. They have a bunch of different flavors of it. Basically, it is a caffeinated energy powder using green tea as the caffeine, but they add a bunch of nootropics and extracts that help your brain stay focused and help blood flow to the brain and things like that. In most of their Focus line, they use One is a new for gaming thing called Noolvl. There have actually been studies done that have shown increases in mental power while gaming with this supplement. So Noolvl is one of them. Alpha GPC is another one, which also helps stimulate your brain. They also use ginseng extract and black pepper extract. In some of their newer blends though, they don't have Noolvl in it and they have a couple other nootropic type of things instead. So I did message them to see why they changed on some of them and stayed with Noolvl on others. I'm not sure, but hopefully they will get back to me and I can change it up in the description below. Then we have the Energy, this guy right here. The Energy one is a little bit less expensive than the Focus one because they don't use all of the nootropics and things to help your brain in an elevated state. They use just the green tea, caffeine, and then they do add taurine in there as well and some other like B vitamins, stuff like that. After that, we have their hydration line, which is supposed to help you stay hydrated and things. They have things like riboflavin, potassium, calcium, magnesium citrate, stuff like that to just keep you hydrated while you're gaming for a long time. And last up, we have their sleep line. This is meant for you to be able to not just help you get to sleep, but have a very sound sleep throughout the night. They use things like magnesium glycinate and ashwagandha. So yeah, wanted to break down advanced for you. I'm super stoked to be in their ambassador program. So make sure if you want to try out some of their stuff, hit my link down below because it does give me a little bit of a kickback and I do have a coupon code in there which you can also use. Make sure to check out my reviews coming up in the near future and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace! I'm excited to get into this. Yeah, these are cool. That's the Noolvl. They have a bunch of stuff in this one. This one has more, I think, than their newer ones do, so that's kind of fun. But yeah, I want to get one of the Focus ones at some point and one of the Sleep ones, so I might end up doing that at some point. I want to get at least all four. All right,